I just got this pond installed at Enchi in the western north region of Ghana. This is 1,000 tilapia farm, and we have stocked a little about 1,000 fingerlings here. Now, one will be wondering how much it costs. This entire farm, the setup, the complete setup, it costs 10,860 Ghana cedis as it stands now. I'm saying as it stands now because things change. But by the time you are watching this video, it might not be the same. However, that is the current rate. And now, when a farmer purchases this, it comes with a pond like this. This type of pond you can choose for yourself as a farmer. Preferably I use white because it reflects heat. Others choose other colors because of cleaning. I can give you the chance to choose the color that you prefer. So 1,000 capacity pond. It also has a RAS, this aquaculture system, as part of the package. And this aquaculture system, it has filtration and aeration system. And this one also comes with 2 submersible pumps, one for aeration, which is adding the oxygen, and one for filtering the water. It's also a complete package. And mind you, the package of the RAS alone is 3,000 Ghana cedis. If I'm giving you a separate budget, so you appreciate why this is costing. Now we also provide you with the 1,000 fingerlings, either catfish or tilapia is the same. I'm giving you the breakdown of the 10,800 Ghana cedis. All this, we also give you scooping nets. We also give you a bag of feed that can keep you start. At least later you will have to buy more, but we'll give you that to start. All this, that's the cost. Now, it depends on the location of the farm. Then we talk about transportation. If within Tamale and its closest surroundings, we at our end will bear the cost because it wouldn't take us much cost to get ourselves and the items transported to your place. At least a motor carrier will do that. But if it is outside that, then it comes at a cost. For we talk about the transportation. For you as a farmer, you are supposed to take the transportation. Sometimes we may help you a little, but it is lying on you. And the thing is that the items we are going together, when we put them together, in fact, they are many. So the transport yards, they charge for that. Sometimes, or even most often, the amount of money they charge for the items we are transporting is always more than the amount of money that are taken from us as human or as individuals. That is the truth, because the items are many. So we negotiate that. They take the transport. Now, this for the transportation of the items and ourselves to this place, it's close to 800 Ghana cedis. Paying for myself and the items, at least moving it from the location of our farm to the primary station, water care, we pay. From primary to Kumasi, we paid ourselves and then the items. From the Kumasi station, moving to the Enchi station, we got taxi again, we paid. And from the Enchi station to the town, Enchi, we paid. In fact, that's where they will charge that huge sum of money. I beg, especially the items. Imagine, imagine personally, I paid 100 cedis for transportation, and they charge the items 350 Ghana cedis. I have to beg the man, when I even gave him 200 cedis, he lamented before he accepted that. I'm not giving you, for you to know that if the transportation is going to be part of our cost, it means that we are not going to gain anything. Or it means that we are going to push it to the cost of the setup, which will be very high and unaffordable to some people. And it's going to also be a cheat because some live closer, some live far away. So those living far away shouldn't punish, or those living closer shouldn't bear the cost of those living far. That's why we had that separate. So for the distance, we cannot talk about the transport, and that will help you. And the more reason why people like our service is that we are committed. And most often, we want to give you days or time and commit to that. And if there will be any changes, we'll let you know. We'll let you prepare and we disappoint you. We let you know the changes because we are humans. Yes, certain things, there are unforeseen circumstances that can occur. And more importantly, we also guide you on how to operate the farms. For some people, after establishing the farms from different places, sometimes they have to call me to come and assist them, teach them how to manage the farm and to correct one or two things. Why? Because most others will come and just install the farm and go. Whatever you are doing, they don't care. We are down. We'll have a WhatsApp group or WhatsApp platform. Put you there. Any question or any problem you have, put it there. Not only us, there are other experienced farmers who will be there to assist you. And any point in time, we are available. So please, what are you waiting for? Book us and you will have your fish farming issues solved. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Because all we do in this channel to share fish farming is based on our experience and research. While apart from this, we also have resources. I show you our filtration and aeration system. We have a complete DIY, that is do it yourself filtration and aeration system. It is an online course and it has about 15 separate videos. Some are short, some are long, depending on we broke every item down on how to make it yourself. Practical, not theory. We walk you through. So if you enroll in that course, you are going to learn how to do it yourself. Check the link in the description. You'll find the course you enroll. We also have ebook guide, comprehensive ebook for fish farming. And currently we're writing another one about farm management. Expect that soon. And we're also building a complete course about how to raise tilapia and catfish. It's going to be a complete course where you can enroll and you do everything almost yourself. All you need is just buy your items and put together. Now, having walked you through this, check the links if you are interested. And don't forget to like and share this video. Let you reach more customers. My name once again is Abdulaziz Issa. All we do is this channel to share fish farm tips based on our experience and research. Thank you very much.